What's good, y'all? It's your boy Carson256. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe. I have a picture frame, photo frame, size 32 by 40 that I'm gonna crack open. I got it from Amazon. We're gonna see if it's good, see if it's not, see how they package it and all that. And let's get right into it. Y'all make sure y'all be safe when y'all using these scissors and what have you. That's how they package it. Got some straps on there. So I gotta send a drawing off, so I'm probably gonna have to redo this whole setup once I send my picture off. So I'll probably go back to this video and see how they set it up so I can send mine the proper way once I send it in the mail. So let's continue to crack it open. I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of a little bit flimsy. You know what I'm saying? It is flimsy. I'll put the price in the description. I cannot remember how much it costs right now. Maybe I can look at it right now. So this is a real big frame. So I believe this came out to be $125. But I can say it is a little bit flimsy. But we'll see how it does once I put the drawing inside and all of that. So let me get the drawing together and then I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like once I add the drawing inside the picture frame. But it looks good though, you know what I'm saying? It looks good, especially if you're not trying to spend $200-300 on a frame, especially a frame this size. You can always go to a thrift store or something like that to get a frame for cheaper. But this picture was very important, so I didn't want to just send any old frame. So let's see how it looks once I put the picture inside the frame. Another thing, it did come with these inside in a little pouch taped to the side. I just seen it, but it came with these so you can hang it up on the wall. So that's a real nice gesture. You don't have to go to Lowe's or Nowhere or Michael's to go pick these up. They sent them right in too. So I thought that was a real nice gesture. And they get brownie points for this. Okay, I just finished putting the frame in here. So right now I'm finna go around it. This kind of frame has the little ticky-tack little things on the edges that I'm not a real big fan of. But I can say my picture did fit in the canvas very well. So we gonna see how it does. This is how the edges look. Look like kind of like a staple or something like that. So I would advise y'all to, when you get these, maybe put a little extra glue right here just to make sure it's sealed up good and make sure it doesn't break or anything like that. So it's a couple of things that I do not like about this frame. First and foremost, when you move it around, it's very loose. So if you can look at the back, this part can easily come off. Like, it's very loose and you can hardly move the picture around without it getting out of place or something. So watch out for that. Somebody's had a great idea to put a sticker on the front of the canvas, of the picture frame, which is, I don't know why they did that, because when you try to pull this off, it's actually sticking to the picture. So I don't know why they would put something on the front of this. Also, on the side of the plexiglass looking material, it has lines in it. So I don't know if that was something from the factory that made it, but it is very cheap looking and it's very bad. So y'all look into that when you're getting this canvas. I'm gonna do an overall review at the end, so just stay tuned. I didn't read, so I guess they put a film that you have to peel off, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna have to take this back out of the canvas and take this whole thing off and put it back in the frame, and see how it looks like after that. So reading is essential. So I took one side of this plastic stuff off. Now I have to take the other side. So I was wondering why it was looking so cloudy, and thank goodness this has this on here. So let's go ahead and continue to peel this off and see how it looks, you know, when I'm all the way finished. So I put it in the frame. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good. So just check it out real quick. Really nice, really nice. Not gonna lie, it was a hassle dealing with all the ticky-tack stuff, but I must say it does look good. I would advise you to get this frame if you're looking for something that's gonna stay on the wall, something that you're not gonna move around a whole lot, because it is very flimsy. But I must say it does look nice seeing this picture in the frame. This is for a friend of mine who passed away. We did a collab on this. He actually is a photographer. And he passed away due to a drunk driver hitting him. I still don't know the ins and outs of it, but this was a collab we did, and I decided to send it to his parents. I'll put his Instagram in the description so that you can show his Instagram some love. You know, long live Dre. I'm gonna dedicate this episode to him, and like I say, this is a very beautiful piece of artwork. I actually have a reel on this that I'll also pop on the screen too for y'all, but long live Dre, man. This thing is beautiful. Let's get some more. So yeah, man. I give this frame probably a good 7 out of 10, man. They can work on a lot of stuff to make it better, but I'll give it a 7 out of 10 just because how good everything's looked in the end. So y'all want to see some more videos like this, please like and subscribe, man. I'm out.